Hello students, welcome to the science class 7. I am Vinod Kumar from Jagran Public School Varanasi. In this video, I am going to explain the chapter acids, bases and salt. Now, students, I will discuss in this chapter what are acids, its properties and its types, bases, its properties and types of bases, salt and its family like acidic, basic, and neutral salts, indicators and its types, neutralization and how to use neutralization in everyday life. Acids. Acids are the substances which are dissolved in water to give hydrogen ion concentration as positive or hydronium ion concentration. Its properties like acids are sour in taste, it turns blue litmus to red, it conducts electricity, highly corrosive in nature. In acidic medium, pink color of phenolphthalein shows colorless. It loses their acidity when a base is added. Types of acids. It is characterized on the basis of source, concentration, and on strength. On the basis of source, it is of two types, mineral acids and organic acids. Mineral acids is also known as inorganic acids. Acids that are formed from minerals found on land, water, or in air. These are mostly strong acids. For example, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, and carbonic acids, etc. Organic acids. Acids that comes from living things like plants and animals. Mostly these are weak acids. For example, acetic acid, formic acid, lactic acid, tartaric acid, and ascorbic acids, etc. On the basis of concentration, there are also two types, concentrated acids and dilute acids. Concentrated acids, a small amount of water is present. In dilute acids, the large amount of water is used as a solvent. Based on strength, this is two types, strong acids and weak acids. Strong acids, an acid which is completely dissociated or ionized in water to give large amount of hydrogen ion concentration. For reaction, hydrochloric acid dissolve in water to give H plus ion and chloride ion. For example, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, etc. Weak acids, an acid which is partially dissociated or ionized to give a small amount of hydrogen ion concentration. For example, acetic acid dissolved in water to give acetate ion CH3COO negative plus H plus ion. For example, acetic acid, carbonic acid, and sulfurous acid, etc. Types of acid, types of list of acids, name of acids with the corresponding formula, hydrochloric acid HCl, carbonic acid H2CO3, sulfurous acid H2SO3, malic acid C4H6O5. List of weak acids and its sources. Acetic acid comes from vinegar. Lactic acid comes from curd. Tartaric acid comes from tamarind. Bases. Bases are the substances which are dissolved in water to give hydroxide ion or OH ion concentration. Properties like bases are bitter in taste. It turns red litmus to blue, soapy in touch, lose their basicity when mixed with water, and the pH range of bases is greater than 7, that is in between 8 to 14. Water soluble bases are called alkalis. Types of bases: strong bases and weak bases. Strong base is a base which is completely ionized in water to give large amount of hydroxide ions, OH ions. It is also known as strong alkali. Sodium hydroxide dissolved in water to give Na plus OH negative. For example, sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide, etc. Weak bases. A base which is partially ionized to give a small amount of OH ion concentration. For example, milk of magnesia, magnesium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, and aluminium hydroxide, etc. List of bases with the corresponding formula: potassium hydroxide KOH, magnesium hydroxide MgOH twice, barium hydroxide BaOH twice, etc. Salt and its family. Salt. When acid and base react together to form salt and water. In the reactant, acid plus base to give as a product salt plus water. Acid HCl plus base sodium hydroxide combine together to form sodium chloride plus water. Types of salts. Acidic salts. A strong acid and weak base combine together to form acidic salts. Hydrochloric acid as a strong acid and ammonium hydroxide as a weak base to form ammonium chloride plus water. Basic salts. Weak acid and strong base combine together to form basic salts. Acetic acid plus sodium hydroxide combine together to form sodium acetate plus water. Neutral salts. Strong acid and strong base combine together to form neutral salts. HCl plus NaOH to form sodium chloride plus water. Indicators and its types. Indicator. An indicator is a substance that changes its color when added to a solution of an acid or base. Indicator shows one color in acidic medium and different colors in basic medium. Types of indicator. Natural indicator. Indicators which are derived from natural sources like plants. Synthetic indicators, the indicators which are synthesized in the laboratory, is known as synthetic indicator. Natural indicators types: litmus solution. Litmus is a purple dye extracted from the plant lichen, the Thallophyta, and used as an indicator. In acidic medium, it changes the color red to red and blue in basic. Turmeric juice. It is yellow in color, but no change in neutral and acidic medium. It changes reddish brown in basic medium. China rose, hibiscus or gudhan. Its solution is dark pink in acidic medium and green in basic medium. Red cabbage. Red cabbage indicator is a purple colored solution that is used to test whether substances are acid or base. It turns red in acidic solution and green in basic solution. Synthetic indicator. Phenolphthalein. It is colorless compound in alcoholic solution. It is colorless in acidic and red in basic solution. Methyl orange. It turns red in acidic and yellow in basic. And the last, universal indicator. It is a mixture of different dyes, colors, which gives different color at different pH values of entire pH scale. pH scale. pH should be simply as a number between 0 to 14, which indicates the acidic or basic nature of a solution. Higher is the hydrogen ion concentration or hydronium ion concentration, lower is the pH value. When pH is less than 7, that is acidic medium. pH is equal to 7, that is neutral. And if pH is greater than 7, that is the basic solution. And the pH values, increasing and decreasing order of hydrogen ion concentration and OH ion concentration. When pH is equal to 7, that is neutral, and 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 to 0, this is acidic medium. Means hydrogen ion concentration increases for the acidic medium, and for alkaline medium, OH ion concentration increases. And some indicators is also listed with different colors. And after that, this is not a limitations for that. After that, many more indicators are also. But some indicators with their pH value and their colors are given. Turmeric, water, color in acid, yellow, that is pH is less than 7, and color at pH is equal to 7, it means in neutral solution. Yellow, color in base, when pH is greater than 7, is red. Red litmus, color in acidic, red, in neutral, red color, and color in base is blue, etc. Neutralization in everyday life. Indigestion. Our stomach contains hydrochloric acid. It helps us to digest food. But if too much causes indigestion. So we use to neutralize as antacids like milk of magnesia. Antibite or sting. It contains formic acid HCOOH are also known as methanoic acid. When any bites, it injects acid into the skin. You can neutralize. For neutralization, use zinc carbonate, that is calamine solution. Soil treatment. In the soil, excess use of chemical fertilizers makes soil acidic. So plants do not grow. Is too acidic or too basic medium. For acidic use, calcium oxide quicklime or select lime CaOH twice, and for basic, organic matter. Factory waste. The waste of many factories contains acids. Acids will kill fish and other organisms, so it neutralizes by adding basic substances. So students, what we learned so far? Acid, bases and salts, organic acids and mineral acids, strong acids and weak acids, strong bases and weak bases, indicators and types of indicators, universal indicators, pH scale, and neutralization in everyday life. Now students, you can check your knowledge. Check your knowledge part 1. Objective type questions. You can choose the correct answer from the given options. The acid present in tamarind is tartaric acid. Lime water is a clear solution of calcium hydroxide. One of the following is a medicine for indigestion. This is milk of magnesia, magnesium hydroxide. Bee sting contains formic acid HCOOH. Acid produced naturally in our stomach is hydrochloric acid HCl. You can check your knowledge part 2. It contains true and false type questions. Nitric acid turns red litmus blue, false. Sodium hydroxide turns blue litmus red, false. Indicator is a substance which shows different color in acidic and basic solution, true. Tooth decay is caused by the presence of a base, false. Anti-sting secrete formic acid, true.